Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 2S and I'm gonna show you how to change the unit types on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it you can press any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, swipe down or rather scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll all the way down and tap on the system. Here, scroll down, find the option called units and tap on it. And right here we can customize the units type, or rather types of units. We can first tap on distance, and here we can select between miles or kilometers. Select the one you like. Then we have pace/speed. Again, we can select between miles or kilometers. Next we have elevation. We can select between feet or meters. Next one is weight. We can select between pounds or kilograms. Then we have height. We can select between feet and centimeters. And finally we have temperature, and we can select between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Select the one you like this. And once you're done, simply press the lower button a couple of times to go back. And that's how you change the unit types on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.